Do you have an issue with a seller in another EU country? If you can't resolve it together, the European Consumer Centre can usually help you find a solution. But what if the seller refuses to cooperate? Then you can start a written court case, if the following applies to your case. Your claim is under €5,000. You bought something from another EU country, except Denmark. Then you can start a written court case with just one form. For this short legal process, you don't need a lawyer, and you usually won't have to travel to the court. You may need to pay a fee to start the procedure. These are legal charges. But if the judge rules in your favor, you can claim these costs back from the seller. Here's what you need to do. Collect any relevant invoices, contracts, emails, and other proof. Fill in Form A. You can find this online or get it from the court. Do you need to send the form to the court in the seller's country? If so, check which language the form needs to be in. For question 11.2, always tick the language of the seller's country, regardless of the court's location. Is everything filled in? If yes, send the documents to the court by registered post. Is everything correct? Then the judge forwards the documents to the seller within 14 days. The seller then has 30 days to respond to the judge. After that, the judge will decide within 30 days. Sometimes the judge may need more information from you or the seller. This could delay the process slightly. If the judge rules in your favor, the seller must pay you back. To enforce this, you need the judge's ruling and Form D. You may have more questions about the process, about the costs, and the right court, for example. We provide answers to these questions on our website.